Hello everyone. In the previous class we have done exercise 4.1. So in this exercise we have learned to construct a quadrilateral when one diagonal and four sides are given. So in all the sub questions of question number 1, so there are 4 sub questions, and in all these sub questions one diagonal is given and 4 sides are given. So now let us move on to the next exercise 4.2. Now in exercise 4.2, in all the sub questions, 2 diagonals and 3 sides of a quadrilateral will be given. So as you see, there are 3 sub questions here under question number 1 of exercise 4.2. So in this all sub questions, 3 sides will be given and 2 diagonals will be given. So in exercise 4.1, so there only one diagonal was given, but 4 sides were given. But in this exercise 4.2, 2 diagonals will be given and 3 sides will be given. And using that information, we need to construct the quadrilateral. From exercise 4.2, now let me do the first part of question number 1. So here also we need to construct the quadrilateral. The name of the quadrilateral is LIFT. L-I-F-T. And in this quadrilateral, the length of Li should be 4 cm, length of IF should be 3 cm, length of TL should be 2.5 cm, length of LF should be 4.5 cm, and length of IT should be 4 cm. So the first thing that we have to do here also is we need to draw the rough sketch of the quadrilateral. So as we know that quadrilateral has 4 sides, so we draw any 4-sided close figure. And according to the question, the name of this quadrilateral should be LIFT. L-I-F-T. And in this quadrilateral, the length of Li should be 4 cm as given in the question. Length of IF should be 3 cm. The length of side LT is given 2.5 cm, and LF is given here. So LF means here diagonal. So we join the point L and F, then we get the diagonal of the quadrilateral, and the length of this diagonal should be 4.5 cm. And at the end, IT is given. So I is here, T is here. We connect them by a straight line, and we get the second diagonal of the quadrilateral. And the length of this diagonal should be 4 cm. So here we can see it clearly that the length of 2 diagonal is given, which are 4.5 cm and 4 cm, and 3 sides are given, which are 2.5 cm, 4 cm, and 3 cm. Now by seeing this rough sketch only, we have to construct the quadrilateral. Now let us construct the quadrilateral step by step. So first of all, we see the rough sketch. In the rough sketch, the length of the side of a quadrilateral which is at the bottom is given 4 cm. So now we take pencil and a scale, and at the center of the page we draw a line of length 4 cm. The name of this line is Li and its length is 4 cm. After completing step 1, we see the rough sketch, and in that rough sketch, we can see it clearly that the side LT and the diagonal TI, so they meet each other at the point T. So we need to identify the point T, which we get by intersecting the two arcs, one of radius 2.5 cm and another of radius 4 cm, because the length of side LT is 2.5 cm and the length of diagonal TI is 4 cm. In the second step, using compass we take 4 cm and we draw an arc of radius 4 cm above the L, because you can see it in the rough sketch that the length of diagonal TI is 4 cm and the point T is above the line Li. So we place the compass tip at the 0 mark of the scale and the pencil tip at the mark 4, so that the distance between the compass tip and the pencil tip is 4 cm. We place the compass tip at I, and just above the L, we make an arc of radius 4 cm. In the third step, for the side LT, which is of 2.5 cm, so using compass and the scale, we take 2.5 cm and similarly we draw an arc above L so that it will intersect the previous arc. So we take 2.5 cm by placing compass tip at the 0 mark and pencil tip at 2.5 mark. Then we place the compass tip at the point L, and above it we make an arc so that it will intersect the previous arc. The point where the two arcs they intersect each other is our point T according to the rough sketch. Now in step 4, using a scale, we draw a straight line from L to T and also from I to T. Then we write the length of LT which is 2.5 centimeter, and the length of TI is 4 centimeter. After completing the fourth step, we see the rough sketch again, and according to that rough sketch, we need to identify the point F. So at the point F, the diagonal LF, which is of 4.5 centimeter long, and the side IF, which is 3 centimeter, they meet each other. So we need to draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter and 3 centimeter above I, so that they will intersect each other, and that intersecting point is our point F. In the fifth step, using compass, we take 4.5 centimeter length by placing compass tip at the 0 mark on the scale, and by placing pencil tip at the mark 4.5 on the scale. As the length that we have taken using the compass is 4.5 centimeter, which is the length of diagonal LT. So that diagonal LT, it starts from L. So we need to place the compass tip at the point L, and above the point I, we need to draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter. In the sixth step, as the length of side FI is given 3 centimeter, so we make an arc from the point I above it to intersect the previous arc. This intersecting point is the point F. In the seventh step, we draw a straight line between the points T and F, and also from I to F. Now we write the length of IF, which is 3 centimeter. The length of TF is not given, so we do not write the length of TF. In the eighth step, we join the points L and F by a straight line, so that is our diagonal. And we write the length of diagonal, which is given 4.5 centimeter. Now in the last step, using a scale, we verify the length of 3 sides and 2 diagonals as given according to the question. Length of LI is exactly 4 centimeter. Length of second side IF is also exactly 3 centimeter. The length of third side, which is given, is also exactly 2.5 centimeter. Length of diagonal LF is also exactly 4.5 centimeter. At the end, we verify the length of second diagonal TI, which is also exactly 4 centimeter. Just now we have verified that the length of 3 sides and 2 diagonals are correct. And at last we write the conclusion as hence LIFT is the required quadrilateral. So in this way we construct a quadrilateral if 3 sides and 2 diagonals are given.